Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress on your local computer. So first we need to download, of course, WordPress. So download WordPress, hit enter. Let's download the latest version, and it's downloading, and in the meantime all you have to do is creating a database. So you open the XAMPP program and start Apache and MySQL. So it has been started. So you can simply minimize and go to your localhost and PHP myadmin, and we are going to create a database for your WordPress website. So let's call it WebDev. This is my channel. I have started this new channel to help you guys out. So as you can see, we have created a database called WebDev, and it's still downloading. So it's complete the downloading. Let's go to the folder and extract the file. In the meantime, we are going to create a folder on your XAMPP. So open up the XAMPP program and click on Explorer and go to the htdoc and create a folder that I have created on the database called WebDev. So we are going to keep the same name for this localhost, and this is our localhost website. WordPress website should be here. So it's still extracting the file. So let me minimize it. So all you need to do is, so it's finally extracted, and we need to go into the folder and WordPress, and we need this data, and we simply copy that and paste it over WebDev. Paste it here. Finally paste it here, and I guess we are ready to go. So let's go to our URL and type localhost and our database name WebDev, and it will ask us to create a website, and we are a few steps back from the running. So we select language English and let's go. So first thing you will need to put here is the database name. Remember the name we put create on the localhost. The database name was WebDev. Username should be root, and password is blank, and everything we are good to go here. And you can also prefix here. So by default WordPress provide WP underscore is the prefix, but you can customize it as you want. So let's click submit. So another thing is we must keep the same name as we put on the database. As we created the database WebDev, so it has to be the same name. All right. So run installation, and that's where you put your website information. It will appear on the WordPress dashboard. So site title. So as we know, our site is called WebDev. Username, let's say admin. Password admin. Of course it's a weak password, but for demonstration we do this. And let's discourage this search engine for now, and put a dummy email address. Of course you will put your email address here, and hit installation. So we have our local WordPress ready to log in. So let's log in. As you can see, username and password already given, and you got the custom URL for your local WordPress. So let's visit the site here. This is your local WordPress website. So you are done. It's by default it's running 2021 theme, and of course you can post, you can add a new page here, you can install plugin and everything you can do online. You can do it here on locally, and after you complete the website you can put it online on your live WordPress website easily. I'll of course do that video later on, how to upload a local WordPress website into a live WordPress website. So see you.